fourth one.
Okay. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
My name's Mike. I actually follow you.
Okay.
It's two U-type V2s,
Okay.
Chrysler's.
Yes, sir.
On Assault 6K, and then I have 200x4 for my Milton High.
These are 10s?
12s.
Oh, 12s. Okay, got it. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see through the port.
Yeah, two Sundown U12s.
You built this?
Actually, Dylan Solinsky built it.
Okay. You happy with it?
So far.
Awesome.
Still building. I'm actually about to take the U's out and put two EM Audio Super MIDI tubes in there.
Oh, so bigger box, different box too.
Same box.
Oh, same box. Okay.
Yeah, the box was actually originally made for ZV6s.
Okay. The box don't look too. Okay, I gotta look at. Can I look on the outside to see how deep it is?
It's a 4-quarter.
Okay. Okay, that makes sense. It's a lot farther back. Got it.
So this is the seal side right here, and then the rest of it is the port side.
Did you build this in the box, in the vehicle?
It's a two-piece.
Two-piece. Got it. That's a lot of work to put together though to make sure it's sealed.
Yeah.
This is at
1 ohm.
1 ohm. Okay.
I'm right at 1 ohm right now.
Okay. Wow. Okay.
Right now I'm on the stock alternator waiting for my brain X to come back.
Okay. So you got a baby, make sure you don't turn it too much. Can I open this and look in? Nice. Did you do the big three? You have the big three done?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you look all right here, you can see it all. It's all.
Got it, yep. Awesome. Looks good. Where's the battery?
There's one here.
Okay.
And one in the pocket over there.
Got it. Okay, I see. That lithium or?
Yeah, it's sodium.
Lithium sodium.
Advanced
Okay.
electronics, kilo 55s.
Okay, I'm still learning a lot of the newer stuff.
Yeah.
Looks good. Man, that's really tight space in there to work with. But once it's working, it works good.
Thank you.
Awesome. Yeah, thank you for showing me everything.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Is that a little fan?
Yeah.
It's off right now, but it
It's
keeps
on.
the amps cool.
I have this fan and
The fanny.
fanny.
Okay. Oh, sweet. And what vehicle is this?
2013 Chrysler 200.
Chrysler vehicle. Okay. Any SPL tests?
So when I had the ZV6s in it, I was doing a 52.8 in the kit.
Wow.
And right now with the U's, I do a 49.3.
So it went down a little?
Yeah,
Got it.
It went down.
Okay. Nice. Picture. me hear it at all. I do a lot of YouTube, man.
It's
Thank you for showing me, man. Nice to meet you.
Nice
Take a,
meeting you, man.
you too. I'm gonna take a picture real quick.